Acidity, GERD, bloating, and digestive discomfort affect millions every day. Introducing Gevalin, a science-backed digestive wellness ingredient derived from bael fruit. Unlike conventional solutions that focus only on acid suppression, Gevalin works by strengthening the stomach's natural defense system. First, Gevalin helps reduce gastric inflammation. Second, it stimulates protective prostaglandins that increase mucus production. Third, it creates a protective coating over the gastric lining, helping reduce pepsin-mediated tissue damage and irritation. So instead of fighting stomach acid alone, Gevalin strengthens the stomach as a natural shield. Clinical studies demonstrate Gevalin's efficacy at just 250 milligrams daily, delivering significant improvements in digestive health, reducing epigastric pain by 40%, abdominal cramps by 36%, acid reflux by 24%, and bloating by 23%. Designed for versatile formulation, Gevalin can be easily incorporated into protein bars, gummies, functional beverages, sachets, capsules, and tablets, making it the ideal ingredient for next-generation digestive wellness products. Gevalin, one science-backed ingredient, complete digestive wellness.